We're at the Grand Traverse County Civic Center today for the MiCareerQuest Northwest event. We have over 60 exhibitors, 2,000 students, and 70 volunteers here at the Civic Center to present hands-on career exploration events to our area's 9th grade students. So this is not a job fair. This event is really to plant the seed with students and get them excited about careers in Northwest Michigan. So all of our exhibitors today have put together a day in the life of what it is like to be in their careers to showcase to students. So 9th grade, they're in high school, they're starting to think about their future, but they don't have it completely concrete yet. So as they start their high school career and they start to think about what they want to do after high school, this event will plant the seed and expose them to things that they may never have known about to help them get them on a good trajectory towards their future career. So we know that many of our workers, our workforce is retiring, and there's not enough people to fill the jobs that are available. So we need to keep as many of Northwest Michigan students here in Michigan as possible. So this event is to show students there are great careers in Northwest Michigan. They don't have to leave to have a great career.
So exposing students to STEM careers, like most of them aren't fully aware what is a STEM career. So we consider a STEM career as anything that includes at least two of the acronyms. So STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. So on a day-to-day basis, do you use at least two of those? And then how do you actually use that? This gives the application and the context for that learning for the students. And so for them, it gives them okay, this is the type of career I want to go into, and here's how I'm going to use my learning for that.
As the time goes by, the applicants that come into our apprenticeship programs, they are coming from events like this. This is their first exposure to a real career, right? To be able to, like we said, put their hands on something and explore it, talk to the professionals that are out there and relate, right? So we're an earn while you learn model, so it's like getting a full ride to a college. They're making money coming through an apprenticeship, making right away, instead of incurring that huge college debt. And it just seems to be the fit for a lot of students to come post-secondary this way.
At this age, kids don't really know what career paths are available. So we want them first to know that there are a lot of early childhood career paths, and we have a QR code that they can scan and give us a great list of career paths. It doesn't have to be in a classroom. It could be administration. It could be working with small children in speech pathology. We just want them to kind of think in a broad sense and think a little bit about what it means to have good, strong influences in early childhood as they may become parents as well.
These events are amazing. They're so good. It's helpful for the young students to know what's out there, because they may drive by Munson, many times during the week, but they don't know what's inside the building. They might think it's just doctors and nurses, but you can see it's medical assistants, it's pharmacy, it's phlebotomy. There are so many different aspects of healthcare, and Munson is very committed to serving our community, but also teaching our community. So students getting them at 9th grade so they can start thinking about it. It's the perfect opportunity.
This event would not be possible without the collaboration of our area employers, our area partnering agencies for volunteers, and our area schools. This event can only happen because of the great collaboration we have in our region.